Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is now AhhhSoNeo. We're doing a comparison video today because yeah, I'm going to be looking at comparing a Coach Cassie 19 to the Louis Vuitton Blanche BB in print leather. If you've ever wondered about the size of this bag, because I just don't see it so much on YouTube, then this will be the video for you to see what it compares to with the Coach Cassie 19. Alright, keep watching. We're back. Hello. We are doing a comparison video today. You guys, you know I love my Coach Cassie 19. And lo and behold, I was digging around on the Louis Vuitton website and found something I thought was very comparable in a dream leather that I've always wanted to try. So I had to buy it. Hey guys, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. We are doing a comparison video today of the things are flying of the mini Blanche, no, I keep calling it that, of the Louis Vuitton Blanche BB and the Cassie 19. So hey, if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy this YouTube community. I still, at the end of the day, really enjoy making videos. So hey, I'm back. If you are new, thank you so much for checking me out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so you can know every time I'm posting a new video. It'd be really great. I'd love that support. And of course, if you've been here before, you're the real you're the real MVP, and you know what we're about here on AhhhSoNeo. We are about having fun. Yep. Yeah, I like makeup, I like shoes, I like handbags. Pretty much in that order. Yeah, more makeup than not, since it's cheaper. But every once in a while we get to buy a fabulous handbag, and woo, yes. And that's what we are talking about today, is handbags. I wanted to do a comparison. I wanted to do a comparison video, you guys. I recently picked up the, well, it's been a few months now, quarantine shopping, no other excuse, but I do have the Louis Vuitton Blanche mini, and if you go on their website it says call for availability, but I do know that they do still have some out there, so if you're interested, this would be a great time to get it. And really what convinced me to pick up this purse was because I've had so much fun with this purse. Now this is my Coach Cassie 19. I have the regular size Coach Cassie and I use that one to bits, but I just remember thinking I wish I had the option of carrying the regular size Coach Cassie as a shoulder bag, because I'm not a fan of the crossbody strap. And even on this one, I don't even know where my crossbody strap is. I took it off after I bought it and haven't used it since. But it has the handheld option, which is always my preference when it comes to bags. And then it has the shoulder strap in this dark, I think it's called pewter chain. So this, for me, is love. I love this bag. But once I looked at the dimensions and everything, it was just like it's a really great size. It's compact, but it's wide enough. It has a bunch of compartments, has a back pocket, which I don't use, and then it has the 3 compartments on the inside, and it really actually packs quite a lot. I have a picture that is, I have a video that's a comparison of this to the regular Cassie, and then I also have a what fits in the Coach 19. I'll link them here, so check both of those out. But because I had so much success with this one, when I was looking for a new bag, and I was looking specifically for an print leather bag. I've been looking for one for years. I've seen the prices just go up, and I still was like, don't know what I'm waiting for. But then I was on there not that long ago, and for some reason I'd never really paid attention to this bag. I don't know, I just hadn't paid attention to this bag, and I saw it and I thought it just looks so tiny. But once I looked at the dimensions, I realized it's damn near the same size as this one. So I went for it. Now this does have the crossbody strap that is not removable, and that is actually my only downside for this. However, I think it is necessary because the handheld strap has such little give I mean, you can only really carry it like this. With the Cassie, I can put my hand through, you know, if I needed to. But this, you really can only carry it like this. And so every once in a while, I will use a crossbody strap. Yeah, but because it has the dimensions that I like for a crossbody strap, for a crossbody bag, I figured I could make it work. And you know what? I'm making it work. So let's talk details. And I did bring out my measuring tape just to give you guys an idea. So the Coach Cassie, it has a drop of about 3.5 inches in the handheld strap, which really does make a huge difference, I think. The bag is about 3.5 inches wide there too. And then it is, yeah, about 6 inches tall. So, oh, I forgot how wide it is. I'm not really good with the whole measuring thing, but I thought it would be useful. Let's see. And then it's about 7.5 inches wide. So it's really, for me, a great size purse that has a lot of functionality because I can carry it 2 different ways. If I really needed to, I could carry it 3 different ways. I just haven't had that need. So looking at those dimensions, I thought I gotta have this. This bag is very, very similar, and I think this bag gets overlooked a lot, or used to get overlooked a lot, because the Pochette Matisse, which is the size of the regular Coach Cassie, got all the love. Now this one I believe is going out of production. I haven't confirmed that, but I believe it is. Who knows? I'll have to check. But honestly, maybe it had its moment. I'm just late to the party. It probably had its moment. I'm late to the party because I don't buy bags for what's trendy. I buy bags because I'm going to use them. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on with the dimensions. The drop for here literally is like 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches if I pull it. I mean, it is really good quality leather, so I know it will stretch out a little bit. I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, I'll get there. It's still a the height of the bag is 6.5, almost 7 inches. The width of the bag is a little under 3 inches, so it's a little narrower than the Coach Cassie 19, which is even better. And then the width of the bag, it's wider though. It's slightly wider because it's 9 inches. Now, my favorite crossbody bag, and the only bag that I really consistently use as a crossbody, is my Chanel Walk. And what I love about a walk style bag, oh wait, I lie. I also have a Gucci Marmont walk style bag. And what I love about them is that they're slim. When I'm carrying a crossbody, I want it to be slim and not too bulky on my hip, because then I feel like it ends up swinging behind you, and then for me, it becomes a security risk, so we won't even go there. So yeah, so I feel like 3 inches, 3.5 inches, I can do that. That's slim enough for me. So yeah, so that is my comparison. I think I'm really hoping I won't have the issues that I've seen with the Pochette Matisse, where the glazing cracks and all of that. This bag was absolutely pristine when it came to me. I know my friend who works at Louis Vuitton checked it out for me. She's so special to me, and she's been really a great friend over the years and finding special pieces for me. So thank you so much. You're wonderful. And yeah, so these are still available. If you've ever considered a Louis Vuitton Blanche BB, get it. And just yeah, perfect comparison to the Coach Cassie 19. So definitely check these out, guys. Look at that. Well, that one's higher. Oops. Look at that. Well, the straps are different, but yeah, look at that. It's really quite fantastic. So don't sleep on this bag. I know it's not super trendy, but do not sleep on that bag. It's fabulous. Thank you guys for watching. This is AhhhSoNeo signing out. Same way I always do. Choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. every hour, every moment, every minute. You get to choose how you feel about something. And let me tell you, it is one of the most important choices you can make, because are you going to let outside forces determine how you feel, or are you going to say, I'm going to be happy no matter what? Take that, Corona. Or are you going to say, I'm going to be happy no matter what? Make the right choice for you. Just you. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for?